Welcome to my lecture on stem and leaf plots. If you aren't following me daily, consider pressing the subscription button there so that I can help you with your maths. Right, what are stem and leaf plots? Well, they have their data displayed horizontally rather than vertically, and the stem and leaf plots organize the data based on their digits. So that's where they're slightly different to what you've been using up until now. And the stem is made up of the leading digits and the leaf contains the last digit. So let's look at step one. Step one is to arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, let's go look at the data. Here's our data. And you can see these are age groups of people, 0 to 5-year-olds, who are 26, 6 to 10-year-olds, 21. These are the people in a shopping mall that have been put together in this group of data. So let's arrange it in ascending order like step 2 said. So all of this has now been put down here, starting with 9, which is the smallest, and moving all the way up in an ascending fashion. Okay, so let's go back and look at what the next step is. Right, so the next step is to draw a T-bar. A T-bar looks like that. And we place the stem on one side, on the left-hand side, and we place the leaf on the right-hand side, okay? And then we're going to do that now. I just want to first go through step 3. You enter the data. The stem contains all except the last number of each data point. Now that sounds confusing, but it'll become clear as soon as you see it now on the T-bar. And the leaf contains the very last digit. So let's go and look at it, bearing in mind that this is our data here. So let's go look at number 9, how we would have done 9. Well, first of all, we've got the title here, the ages of people in the shop. The stem is on this side of the T. You see your T here, okay? And the leaf is on this side. Right, now remember the stem holds the first piece of the date of the number of the data, and the leaf holds the last piece. So when we go and plot 9, 9 is our first number there. We plot it as 0 in the stem because it's not a tens, it's only a unit, and a 9 here. Okay. Then we're going to plot 14. So 14 is 1 in the stem and 4 on the leaf. 1 in the stem, 4 on the leaf. That makes 14. Okay, now you can see here we've got something tricky coming up here. How does that work? Well, there's a couple of numbers in the 20s. 21, 22, 23, and 26. So we have 21, 22, 23, 26. So all that you do, let me just rub that out now, is you have that as the stem, the 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and 6 for 21, 22, 23, 26. Okay, so that looks messy, but let me go show you how it looks on the actual stem and leaf. Right, so there it is. 21, 22, 23, 26. Okay, so you can use 1, 2 and plot everything that goes with the 2. The 2 as in the 10 over here, and those as the units. And that is read by statisticians as 21, 22, 23, and 26. So you can see we're going to have 32 and 35 here. Let's go check our data. Yes, we have a 32 and we have a 35. So 32, 35. Okay. Right, you've got an idea. And you can see that the key actually does describe that. It tells you 1 in the stem, 4 on the leaf is 14. Okay, so it should be quite clear. You should be able to plot anything that you like on a stem and leaf graph, as long as you know is the first digits are always the stem and only the very last digit is on the leaf. Okay, see you in tomorrow's lecture.